Okay everyone, just to show you a trick that I kind of do, and you could see for instance how I do the creases in the just knit hat or let's purr hat. Instead of knitting through 2 stitches, there is a trick that you can kind of slide them. So knitting through the 2 stitches is something like this, right? So knit 2 together. And in that case, the pattern tells you to knit through 3 to 4 to 5. So basically what you do at this point, you just put it back on the left needle and you just move 1 or 2 or 3. In that case, you did knit 5 together, but without struggling to get 5 stitches on your needle and knit through it. So I find it quite easy. Okay, let's go to SSK and see how that goes. I showed you already how to do knit 2 together and then multiply by it. And normally with SSK, what we do, we flip the stitches right on the side to open the stitch and then knit through the back. But in this case, we try to change it a little bit. So what we do, if we have SSK more than 2, the number over 2, so 3, 4, 5, we're moving it on the right needle. Then instead of doing SSK, we actually knit 2 stitches together, and then we're moving back those 3, right? So in this case, we have SSK5, I would say. So the crease that leads to the left. Knit together leads to the right. Okay, I hope you enjoy. Quick, easy. Maybe that helps someone who struggles with hands to do those difficult decreases in kinda easier way. Sorry for the darker yarn, but it just hit me. It's a moment I want to share. So enjoy. See you in the next one. Bye.